Hello and welcome to SEKOLAH Victory Plus ManageBac tutorial. ManageBac is a platform that will help to ease communication between teacher, student, and parents. This tutorial will cover how to monitor your child's attendance, including how to submit an excusal or permission letter in case your child needs to be away from school due to family reasons or health reasons. And we will also cover how to check your school's timetable, what classes or what lessons will your child have today or tomorrow or the next day. Then we will also cover how to view your students' portfolio, what have they been doing in classes, what work have they done, and we will also cover how to monitor your child's behavior. When you need to know something about your child's behavior, the school will inform you through ManageBac. Before I start everything, this is the website address for SEKOLAH Victory Plus ManageBac, svp.managebac.com. You need to use your school email to be able to log in to ManageBac. And if you do not know your password for ManageBac, or this is your first time logging into ManageBac, just click Forgot Password. So this is how svp.managebac.com looks like. If you have not logged in to ManageBac before, or this is your first time, just click Forgot Your Password. Click here. Put your school email here, and then click Send Reset Email. If you do not know your school email, please check the description of this video below for more instruction. Okay, now after you have got or you have made the password for ManageBac and you have retrieved your school email, let's log in together. I will use the parent account here, and we'll put the password that you have just made, and then sign in. Alright, so this is your dashboard. This is what will appear when you log in. At the bottom right, there will be information about homeroom teacher of your children, and there's some key context of SEKOLAH Victory Plus. Okay, now let's talk about the first thing that I mentioned earlier, how to submit attendance excusal or permission letter in case your children is sick or have to be away from school due to family reasons. Let's do it. First, we will click attendance here. Okay, now this is the attendance of your kid, of your child. You need to submit attendance excusal. Click the button Submit Attendance Excusal. Click here, and you can choose the date. For example, Tuesday. Duration to 1 day. My child cannot come. School because of family event. So, after you finish, just click Submit again. Alright, now you will see the notification. Excusal has been submitted. Hooray! You have just submitted a permission letter. Great! There are some things that I need to inform before we move on. In case you didn't see this button Submit Attendance Excusal on top right of your screen, please check the bottom of your screen. This usually happens when you are opening ManageBac from your smartphone because of the screen size, screen width is smaller than computer, the buttons on the right side will be moved to the bottom side. So if you do not see the button here, don't worry, it will be on the bottom side. And the same with the menu. Again, when you are opening ManageBac from smartphone, usually because of the screen size, the menu will be hidden like this. So you will not be able to see overview, calendar, attendance, messages, and so on. You will not be able to see that. But then again, do not worry. Just click the menu button here and you will see everything. Alright, we are down to the second topic. Okay, now the second topic is how to check your children's timetable. So, in the menu, click timetables. Then you will see the children's weekly timetable, complete with the teacher and the room where your children should go. So, economics period 3, 9:15 to 10 a.m. for your 2 IB diploma, and the teacher is there. Okay, and then there is a green legend over on the right side. Again, if it's not appearing on the right side, probably it's just down there on the bottom of the screen. Okay, it's green, 11, and present. What does it mean? This green shows that your children has been present in the 11 classes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your children has been present in 11 classes. If your children are not present at some of the classes, there will be extra legend over there. For example, the weeks from September 3 to September 7, which is in the future, then your children have not attended those classes yet. So instead of present, the legend will be TBD, to be determined. So, not only present and to be determined, there is also late. So it will be shown in orange color like this. On 24th of August, this kid is late on one of the lessons. But because the lesson is 2 period, he was not late on the second period because he was late only when he came to the classroom and then he joined the class until the end. So this is late, and this is why there is one late and one present for there. Alright, that summarized how to check the student's timetable. Now we will move to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is how to view your children's portfolio. Portfolio is everything that they have been doing at school, including homeworks, formative assessment, and summative assessments. To see your student's portfolio, simply click on menu again and see portfolio. So, depending on your children's program, if your children is a high school student, if it's a DP, diploma program, or NP, national program, there will be a difference in the portfolio interface. This is interface for national program. For DP program, the portfolio will have separate folder for each subject. For national program, they have separation between files, photos, journal, video, and website only. So if you click journal, it will only show the portfolio that is considered as journal. If you click photos, it will only show the portfolio that is considered as photo. video is the same, so video will only show the video portfolios and so on. Okay, so that's about portfolio. Let's move on to the next topic. Last but not least, we will cover topic of behavior monitoring. So in case when your children do something at school that you need to know, teachers will inform you through this. It will go straight to your notification or your message in ManageBac account, so you can easily see it. To do this, simply again go to menu, behavior, and you will see the behavior of your children. So the behavior here doesn't always mean that it is a bad behavior. It can be commendation, which is a praise or a compliment from the teacher to your children. Okay, so it does not always mean that if you got notification behavior, your children are doing something bad. No, sometimes they are doing something good and the teacher just want to give compliment and just want to report to the parents. So that's about behavior monitoring. Okay, we have covered a lot of topic from attendance excusal, timetables, portfolio, and lastly, behavior monitoring. If you have more questions about ManageBac, please send email to either one of the emails here, and we will reply to you and to help you about anything about ManageBac. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.